itu ada reward tuh sih. Udah kata oke. Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? So, today we are going to start our IIT session. From the chemistry part, our lesson name or topic name is water. So, already you know very well, you learn in your 6th class, 5th class, what is the water, what is the state of water. Once again, we recover this water topic. And here, so give the answer to my question. Is the water is a liquid, a solid, or gas? The water is a, so already we know that water exists in the 3 states. One is a solid, liquid, and gases. So here, so water is liquid in state. So if you decrease its temperature, so at the normal temperature, in the atmospheric temperature and pressure, so what happens? Water exists in a liquid state. Before going there, the matter exists. Matter exists in 3 states. One is a solid, second one is liquid, and third one is gaseous state. So any matter that really exists in the 3 states, one is solid, liquid, and a gaseous. The water is a liquid state H. Remember, at room temperature and pressure. At room temperature and pressure, water exists in the liquid state. So here 2 factors are influencing to change water into solid, water into gases. For example, you are decreasing temperature of the water. Means when you decrease the temperature of the water, what happens? The water changes to solid. For example, you are taking some water in the glass here, you have kept in refrigerator, deep freeze. What happens? After some time, you observe that the water is changes to ice. So means ice is in solid state. So what happens? How the ice is formed? By decreasing the temperature of the water. By decreasing the temperature of the water, what happens? Water is converted into ice. So this process, the conversion of water into ice. I'm writing here. The conversion of water into ice. We call as a freezing. This process we call as a freezing. So, what is the freezing? The definition for the freezing is the process, is the chemical process in which water is converted into ice, or it may be like this: liquid changes into solid. Is it clear? You may give the 2 definitions for the freezing. The process in which water is changes to ice or liquid changes to solid we call as a freezing. And what is the freezing point? I'm writing it here, F3. The freezing point. So freezing point means Already we learned here to convert the liquid into solid or liquid to gaseous, like two factors are there, especially temperature and pressure. So the temperature at which the temperature at which the temperature at which liquid is changes to solid. Liquid is changes to solid. We call as a freezing point. Have to remember the definition is same, but here the freezing is a process. The process of conversion of liquid to solid, water to ice. Here freezing point mentioned here temperature. The temperature at which solid liquid is converted into solid is called as a freezing point. Here the temperature at what temperature? 0 degree centigrade. We know that our normal temperature is 37 or 30 something. So what happens when the water, the liquid is getting 0 degree centigrade? What happens? The water is converted into ice. The temperature 0 degrees is the freezing point of water. 0 degree is the freezing point of water. Means when the water reaches 0 degree centigrade, when the water reaches 0 degree centigrade, what ice? It becomes ice. Is it clear, everyone? Next one. Other state of the water is a gaseous state. First one is a solid state, and one is a gaseous state. So, like this, increase the temperature, water is changed to gas. Is it clear? The liquid state water is changed to water vapor. That is a gaseous state. Water vapor is a gaseous state. So the process. The process in which liquid is changed to gaseous we call as a boiling. Here freezing is the process in which the water is changed to ice. Like that here, liquid, the process in which liquid is changed to gases are, for example, you consider the water. If you consider the water, it should be liquid. So water changes to water vapor. Water changes to water vapor. So boiling means the process. It is a process in which water changes to water vapor. The process in which water changes to water vapor is called as a boiling. Is it clear, everyone? The process in which water changes to water vapor is called as a boiling. Like here, freezing point. Here is also we have the boiling point. Like the freezing point, we have the boiling point. Here is also the temperature. Here also we mention the temperature at which. So if you boil the water, if you increase the temperature of the water, at particular temperature, what happens? Water is changes to water vapor. This is everyone. Water changes to water vapor. At what temperature it changes? We call as a boiling point. The temperature at which water changes to water vapor, we call it a boiling point. This is everyone. So when we boil the water, when the water reaches 100 degrees centigrade, when the water reaches 100 degrees centigrade, what happens? What happens? It becomes water vapor. Water becomes water vapor. Is it clear, everyone? So here we learn here freezing and the freezing point, boiling and the boiling point. So now I am sharing here your booklet, water and synopsis. These are beautiful for 7th class. So if you observe this solid state, see once, just wait 1 minute. We are sharing. So see once in your screen. Dear student, did you see the water synopsis in your mobile? Yes, give answer in the chat. Did you see the book? No, sir. You can observe it. See here, boys. This is your IIT one. Let us see in your screen. Water synopsis. First one, you may be zoom it. Solid state. Solid state. In solid state, large amount of fresh water is found in the form of snow or ice. You know very well that ice, frost, hail, snow. So once you see here, how is the frost, how is the hail, how is the snow. So let us see one by one. How is the ice? You know very well how the ice is, and what is the frost and hail and snow. Or some other forms of the solid state of water means that. So because of decreasing temperature in the environment, what happens? The water vapors which are present in the atmosphere, becomes as a snow, frost or hail. So here, hails are nothing but. So మనం బాగా వర్షం పడ్డప్పుడు చూసాం కొన్ని వడగండ్లు. That is a hail. చిన్న చిన్న రాళ్ళు పడుతూ ఉంటాయి మరి. It is a hail. Next. Let us see one more screen we are sharing. Image. ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ నుంచి అన్నీ వస్తాయి. Here you are seeing the image. You may be take the screenshot now. వదిలేసి ఒకటే ఇది ఒక్కటి చేసింది రావట్లేదు. బుక్ ఇది ఒకటి చేయండి. Because of some technical sharing here that is the okay. So see here, boys, we are sharing some images. Let us see. Oh, see. Super, super. See, boys. So this is a image. So you fast. There is a small water drops on the leaf. So these are the hails. There is a Vadaganka Nipashantamana. Hails. Next. Next image you may see here. Same it is also the hails. Next. So it is a snow. You may observe, especially in the winter season, snow. Okay. Okay. So let us see here water synopsis that are already shared in our in our screen. So solid state, liquid state. So most of the water is in the form of liquid state. So if you observe the oceans, lakes, ponds, all these are water is there. Especially most of the water is present in the ocean that is not drinkable. Why? Because it is a salty in nature, and water which is a present in the solid state. Most of the water is present in the solid state. Is it clear? So see notice most of the water present in the ocean, though it is a saline, means a salty in state and is not fit for drinking. On the surface of land, water is found in the rivers, ponds, and the lakes. It's very well. Water present under surface of earth is called as a groundwater. There is a water which we use. Groundwater, well water is example of groundwater. So nowadays we are using the groundwater for drinking. Groundwater we are using for agriculture. Is it clear? This is the use of water. Next, gaseous state. See once in your screen, gaseous state. So in a gaseous state, what happens when the water is when you boil the water? So what happens here? Water gets evaporated and becomes as a water vapor. This water vapor is in the form of gases. Means water exists in a three states. One is the solid state, next one is gaseous state, other one is the liquid liquid state. Is it clear, boys? Is it clear, everyone? Next, as water of crystallization. So, what is the water of crystallization? So, we know very well that some in here crystals of certain salts contain a fixed number of water molecules. For example, if we observe copper sulfate, magnesium sulfate or sodium sulfate, iron sulfate, all these are having some water, some amount of water molecules. See once, crystals of certain salts contain a fixed number of water molecules. Such salts are called hydrated salts, means they have water. And the water molecules are collectively called the water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. Let us see some examples. Hydrated copper sulfate, hydrated copper CuSO4 5H2O. CuSO4 5H2O. Is it able? CuSO4 is a hydrated copper sulfate. Hydrate means 5 water molecules are there, some water molecules are there, and copper sulfate. Cu means the copper, S is the sulfur, O4, copper sulfate. CuSO4 means the copper sulfate, and 5 moles of 5 molecules of water. So remember, write notebook. Copper sulfate 5H2O is a blue in color. Its color is a blue. For example, if there is no water molecule, copper sulfate is the white color, means no color. Is it clear, everyone? So when you copper sulfate has the 5 molecules of water, its color is a blue. If you are heated this hydrated copper sulfate, what happens? The water molecules are removed from the copper sulfate. Then what happens? The color is disappear. So this experiment you will write in your exam. Is it clear? So actually copper sulfate, hydrated copper sulfate is blue in color. Water molecules, 5 water molecules. Is it clear, everyone? Next one, iron sulfate, hydrated 7H2O. FeSO4 7H2O is a hydrated iron sulfate. Hydrated iron sulfate. 7H2O. The 7 molecules of water in the iron sulfate. So its color is a light green color. Its color is a light green color. Remember, copper sulfate color is a blue color, and hydrated iron sulfate is a light green color. Remember, not a thick green, is a light green. It's a pale green color. Next one is a hydrated sodium sulfate. Hydrated sodium sulfate. Na2SO4 what you will use the sodium sulfate, sodium sulfate. So 10 molecules of water. So its color is a white color. Its color is a white color. Next one is a bauxite. Next one is a bauxite. Here, O3, A2O3, 2H2O. Means Al means aluminium. Al means aluminium, and O3, 3 moles of heat. A2O3, 2H2O. Is normally the chemical name is aluminum trioxide. Aluminum trioxide. But normally we call it a bauxite. It's an alloy. It is a ore. Is it clear? So it is also is not mentioning any color. And borax. So next hydrated one is borax. Na2B4O7 10H2O. So borax, already you know that borax powder is used to store or to protect our rice or something from insects like ants, flies, whatever it is. So borax is a powder, white powder, it is used for to protect our needs from the ants. It is a white powder. Borax is a white powder. Once again, I am repeating the chemical formula. Na2B4O7. You have to note that in your notebook. And the last one is the potassium alum. Potassium alum. This formula is K2SO4, K2SO4, Al2, Al2, SO4, second side to H2O. Okay, so K2SO4, K is the potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, and 2 moles of water. This is the potassium alum. It is the once again I am repeating the chemical formula. You have to note down. So hydrated copper sulfate, CuSO4 5H2O. So CuSO4 5H2O is a blue in color. Iron sulfate 7H2O is a light green color. CuSO4 7H2O. And so that is a what is soda? Sodium sulfate NaBSO4 10H2O. Next bauxite. BAUXIE bauxite. This is a A2O3 2H2O. And next one is a borax powder, white color, and Na2B4O7 10H2O. And potash alum, K2SO4, Al2SO4, H2O. If we observe here, 5 moles of H2O, 7 moles of H2O, 10 moles of H2O, 10 molecules of H2O, here 2 molecules of H2O, 10 molecules and then 2 molecules of H2O. So these all are hydrated chemicals. Hydrate crystals, water crystallization. All these chemicals have some moles of water. So this is about our class. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about physical properties of water. So from this, if anyone have a doubt, please keep in short or maybe unmute yourself and ask us. I will clarify your doubt. If anyone has a doubt, please unmute yourself and ask me.